Hello, good evening. Today we make for you the tiramisù. It's the most famous Italian dessert. It's very simple and fast. We crash the eggs and separate the white and the yolk. 5 eggs for 100 grams of mascarpone cheese. You put 1 egg, 1 spoon of sugar. Ale, you...
For me, it's 2 portion.
Two portion for
portion
you.
for Maurice.
Big Maurice, big portion. Okay. Ale, you can work that with frullino. Vai. E coraggioso. Yes.
Okay, so to be sure that it's ready, you need to
You turn?
you turn around the bowl, and if nothing goes down, drop down.
Yes.
It's
It's
ready.
drop
So
down.
it's really well.
Alessandro don't have a work.
Okay.
Okay, now put the 5 spoons of sugar in your yolk. And you turn, you work. Okay. The yolk is white.
Very green.
And I can stop.
And now I can try.
No, not now. You wait. I finish and then you taste. Alessandro tastes all.
Yeah.
He is slim but tastes all. And I
But
ate
only
him.
taste.
Yes.
Don't
No, you
eat.
eat.
No, just it.
Oh, you put inside the mascarpone cheese. And work a little bit slowly. Alessandro, sorry, you can give me the copincola, the small pastry spoon. Ready? No. No, Ale. Tac. Là. Oh, and then we have that part. It's very important because you put inside only a small part of white. You have a sauce and you have a big problem for it.
But you can eat as well.
Yes, I'm sure. Oh, voila. The tiramisù, it's one of the cake that it's best the day before that you have make. You can
The
make
day
after.
after, yeah.
Sorry. After, before. Oh, now it's okay, Ale?
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
Oh, we put a little bit cream downstairs.
Now it's like a lasagna.
Yes. Now we put the. I have make 3 cups of long espresso, and I put inside 2 spoons of sugar. Now the coffee, it's best it was cold and not hot for your finger, and also for the lady finger. Then you put inside the biscuits, not too much. Okay, now we cover. It's not good to eat now. It's possible to, no, you must wait 2 or 3 hours, and tomorrow it's best. But my boy, my helper, I'm sure don't wait that time, but want to taste before. Okay, the last passage,
but not less important,
yes,
is the cacao.
dark.
Yeah, dark cacao and bitter cacao, not sweet. Need to, because all the cake is sweet. If you put another thing that's sweet, there's no contrast.
And it's not chocolate,
No?
but cacao
Cacao.
powder. Oh, voila! I have finished. Thank you so much for your attention, and try to do the recipe and let me know. Bye bye!
Bye.
You can buy our biological pasta, our new oil and some wine in our shop, shop.diacceroni.com. Bye bye, thank you so much.